JavaScript scope defines the lifetime of the variables. I have a variable defined on top of the page here, which is a string variable. And then I'm changing that string variable inside code block of my while loop, and then assigning that message to an inner HTML of the paragraph, which is outside the code block. Now if I refresh the page, that's going to print hello 20 times on my page. But let's define this message inside this code block of the while loop and then refresh the page. It's not gonna work because it's gonna throw an error saying that message is not defined. The reason why we're getting this error is because after defining message inside the code block, message became local variable to this code block. You cannot access a local variable outside the code block. But we can make message variable global by defining outside the code block in the script tag. And this is true for numbers too. Let's say if I define a number result, which is 100, and then try to access this result, which is a local variable to this code block outside the code block. I'm gonna assign this result to the inner HTML of the paragraph. And if I refresh that, it's gonna throw an error saying that result is not defined. But if I try to access a result inside this code block, which is a local variable, I'm going to cut the statement and put it here, then it's going to work because we are accessing result inside this code block. And this code block could be anything. It could be for loop, while loop, if statement, or any functions. In the next section, I'm going to talk about functions.